In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. To begin, open the Facebook app. Once you're there, tap on the menu icon situated at the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Afterward, proceed to tap on the search icon located at the top right corner and type in Deactivate. Once you've done that, tap on Personal Details. From the search results, on the Personal Details page, tap on the relevant option and select either Deactivation or Deletion. Make sure the toggle for the desired action is switched on, then hit Continue. Next, tap on Continue again, and you will be prompted to enter your password. After providing your password, toggle the necessary option and scroll down to hit Continue. Here you can choose the duration for which you want to deactivate your account. And once you made your decision, tap on Done. Finally, tap on Continue and then select Deactivate my account. To complete the process. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.